Chris Donahue, physical therapist, here today at Premier Orthopedics, and we're going over a few exercises you can do with household items that are known as stairs. All right, so take this as the single stair, as a staircase, if you will, and we are going to show you a few ways you can get an exercise or two out of stairs so that you don't need any exercise equipment at home. So to start, the most basic exercise is step-ups. So step up with the left, down with the right, and vice versa. If that's easy, what you can turn that into is a step up with a march. So step up, and then bring it back down. Try 10 to 20 of those. If that's still easy, you can turn it into stair runs if you're capable and if you're safe. So running up the stairs, running back down, or you can turn it into lateral step downs. So safely and securely stand and then tap the leg down. You should feel a strong workout in the quad. All right, so try 20 of those. Let us know how you feel. All right, thanks.